country who owns the sea is the powerful nation in the 21st century. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am chess number 6 from Black Belt. My topic for today is maritime expansion in a blue economy. In this nation, the economies whose state have the power in the surrounding of the sea has the most powerful nation. Starting India's Sagarmala project, more than that is South China Sea and even the others nation. Always have been a fight between oils and expansion, hydrogreens and even the fisheries. These are the powerful nations at building their strength. Starting their own nation from the South China Seas, in the countries having like Cambodia, Indonesia, Philippines and the other nations is all over coming together just for the hydrocarbons, oils, fisheries and many more products that can extracted and make all energies. These energies can be used for renewable energies, even for production for the higher growth and productivity of the nation. It builds the strength, innovation, technology and even the expansion of the nation. Building this is main areas even for the rare earth element. It helps to increase the development of the nation. It is also key to build up the nation's strength, increase up and stood up in the diplomatic relation. It built up the strength in the most critical ways. Not in these areas, India's own Sagarmala project is not just an expansion of the root areas, it's developed the connectivities of the trade and economic factors. Even with the other CPEC's project, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is all around the transportation of oil and other factors from the ocean. It built up the nation in the more growth ways. It's increment the powerful and it stood the nation all around the globe. In globe, the water take the major sectors and lands the low, which create the differentiate between nations of their land areas and water dispute. These disputes are buildings day by day. Blue economies are one of the factors in India's in recent news shares their fisheries from the special sectors to the other nations. These fisheries are not found all over the world. These are the sectors that seems to be very incredible and supportive nations all over the nation. There are different areas that subordinate and constructed by the authorities for the development. In the development and innovation sectors, the trade and even the authorizations of the nations. Being the part of the different countries, not from here in the South China Sea, not from in Europe, in the whole over the world. From this topic, I conclude that economy and the blue-green energies of the world create the power of the nation. It's built the strength and development and core strength of the nations. With that, I concluded to say that one nation with the powerful sea borders and initiation develop the nation. Thank you.